Matt speed.
Mad Speed, are you the green one? Yeah. Okay. And the blue one belongs to Kevin?
That's Kevin, yeah.
Okay, just waiting for Bill.
Bill Schaefer.
All right, we're all checked in. We're ready to rock. Where are my marshals? We're ready to get this one underway. I need in the middle, over on the left. 3 drivers representing the future of fifth scale racing here at RC Madness. We are all checked in, ready to go. Again, just waiting for one, let's see, maybe 4 more marshals. 2 over on the left, 1 and 2 in the middle. We got 3 cars to work with. Thank you so much, Greg. Getting into place, thank you so much. All right, marshals are ready, drivers are ready. Bill, oh, you know what? Wait a second. That's all right, You can take off. So it's going to be Bill, it's going to be Kevin, and it's going to be Matt. Marshals ready, drivers are ready. Tell them to bring it over on the right. Haven't shortcut yet through the valley there. Thank you. Oh, you know what? It's not his fault. They didn't get clamped down. Marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. Bill, you're going to go at the tone. Next, less than 5. Followed by Kevin. And Matt. And we're officially underway. Let's do it. Wow. Let's see how nasty they get with the triple. Yeah. About 900 pounds of flight. Good stuff. At least when you're repairing these things, if it ever happens that you need to just repair it or do maintenance, at least the parts are big. No tiny little parts or... They're pretty cool, man.
That one?
Yeah.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Kevin Mosley in first place with a 9-lap 5:33.9 pace, followed by Matt Steed in second place with a 8-lap 5:41 flat pace, followed by Bill Schaefer in third place with a 6-lap 5:44 flat pace.
I can imagine like one of these drivers, you know, is not really telling his wife he's going to race and trying to sneak this car out. Well, I'm going to do a wheel alignment in the garage. You're right. They are pretty cool though, I got to say. If you have really bad vision, you can still drive these things. We got Kevin on top. He's on an 8.509. Matt on an 8.535. Bill on a 6.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Kevin Mosley in first place with a 8-lap 5:05.8 pace, followed by Matt Steed in second place with a 8-lap 5:35.6 pace, followed by Bill Schaefer in third place with a 6-lap 5:45.3 pace.
At the conclusion of this race, we're going to shut the track down. We're going to give it a nice soaking, and we're going to get started around 1:20. Just to give you a little time tracking here. If we get started around 1:20, we'll be done around a little bit before 3:30. We'll take another 30-minute break. We'll start our mains at 4. If everything goes according to plan, we should be done a little bit before 5 o'clock. So I don't know if that's something that will entice you. I'm still working on the time for the A main of our Nitro buggy. I don't know why I'm feeling a 20-minute main, but
The
so
top
far,
drivers are
it looks like
Kevin
it will be a
Mosley in
20-minute
first
main.
place with
20-minute
an
main
8-lap
for our
504.5
nitro
pace,
buggy.
followed by Matt Speed in second place with a 8-lap 532.2 pace, followed by Bill Schaefer in third place with a 6-lap 545.3 pace.
Good stuff, good stuff. Nice to see different classes being created here at RC Madness. Fifth scale electric buggy with 125 remaining. It's Kevin Mosley historically laying it down, 8.506. That speed on an 8.526 and Bill on a 6.559. Three cars debuting fifth scale action, fifth scale buggy here at RC Madness. Hope you guys are having a good time. I know you guys are getting really hungry. The barbecue blast, the barbecue portion, being prepared over on the right side near
1
the
minute
turf.
after 4 minutes,
Check
1
it out.
second. The top drivers are Kevin Mosley in first place with a 8-lap 507.7 pace, followed by Matt Speed in second place with a 8-lap 526.7 pace, 45 seconds followed by Bill Schaefer in third place with a 6-lap 556.9 pace.
You know, that green buggy, I'm telling you, he's got a really nice, the second half of his race.
30
Nice,
seconds
smooth,
left.
doesn't have to go super fast. You get some nice lap times here. Got a good groove going on. Got little daisies on it too. Is that daisy? What is that? A tiny face?
15
Some
seconds
spots. I don't know,
left.
my vision is bad. Anyway, down the straightaway he goes, doing really good. Matt Speed, he's on the lead lap. 13 seconds behind the leader with 3 seconds remaining. Your leader, the old blue car, doing everything right. He also has a really nice car. Going over the double-double. Time has expired. Keep going.
Bill Schaefer done with a 5-lap
Bill, you're done. Good stuff.
510.7 result. Kevin Mosley
Kevin,
done
you're
with
done.
a
Just
8-lap
waiting for that speed.
511.8 result.
All right, good stuff. One more turn. And that's a race.
Matt Speed done with a
And it was
8-lap
Kevin holding out for the win, 8 at 5:11. Matt
result.
Speed on the lead lap, 8 at
All drivers
5:25.
are finished.
And Bill with 5 laps. And that will conclude